Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Krushika. I am studying in the 6th standard B section, Don Bosco ICSE School, Chitradurga. I am talking few words about Independence Day. Today we all gather here to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our nation. As we observe the anniversary of the liberation of our nation from the British colonial rule, our hearts are filled with pride and gratitude for the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who fought bravely for our liberty and our rights. The British ruled our nation for 200 years. They had come to India for trade and commerce, but instead they looted India and exploited its people. They worked to restrict Indians from their laws. All the people, including farmers, laborers, tribals, were suffered under the shackles of the British rule. The anti-British struggle that started with the tribals and gradually spread to every nook and cranny of the country. The revolutionary struggles played an important role in confronting the British. Inspired by the modern education, many led the freedom struggle with the nationalistic sentiments. Thousands of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev made sacrifices for our freedom. As we celebrate Independence Day, let us all remember our unsung heroes and their sacrifices. Let us all express our gratitude towards those who fought bravely for our freedom, rights and equality. Bharat Mata ki Jai! Thank you one and all.